Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As I promised, we'll at least have a double upload today. Maybe triple, maybe quadruple, who knows. Things might get eventful, you never know with what we're doing. Actually, I'm gonna back this out of the trees so I can get tractors through here if need be. There we go. I think we're pretty much solid right there. Crack the windows down. Alright. Show is move-in day for the show is tomorrow. Gonna get a quick little picture real quick. I'm going to go over the tire pressures and all these and stuff. I think I'm going to move Cub over to the side. Alright. How far over I can go. Alright, right there looks pretty good to me. Turn the gas off. Straighten this up a little bit on the old John Deere. Should call it the old kicker. It's got a little tick to it, but it runs like a top. Sorry, my video was zoomed out there a little bit. Hopefully I didn't ruin it too much. Down for a minute. Alrighty. Cub's looking pretty good for not getting any washing or wax yet, but that's going to be coming up next. I'll probably do another video after that, after I get them all done with and all finished, ready to go for the show. But if I didn't say it, move-in day is tomorrow. Sorry I waited till the last minute. Unfortunately, had some stuff come up and had to take care of that first. But should be good to go for tomorrow. I'm really excited. I'm actually shaking. I'm so excited. But I wait once a year for this show. They're expecting, if the weather holds out, up to 1,000 or more tractors. So, but yeah. So I'm gonna start getting to hand washing. I'm gonna get a little cup out here, hot water, paper towels. I'm gonna wash everything down, hand washed, and get this off. It's bird crap. Get all looking real nice, and then hit it with a coat of wax and should be good to go. So thank you guys for watching. So far the weather, I've been looking at some weather models. It looks like Saturday is going to be solidly clear. It's going to be a little soggy on the ground, but other than that, it looks like Saturday's clear. Friday's a big if. Thursday's a big if. Sunday is a definite big if. Not really worried about Sunday. Sunday's kind of more of a pack-up day than anything. But so far Saturday looks good, and that's the main day, so that's the important one. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and it's going to take me quite a few hours to get this done. Might even run into dinner time. It's probably like 1 to 2 p.m. right now. So, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. like, subscribe, check out my other videos. I'm going to get this uploaded now, and you'll have another video tonight more than likely. So thank you.